What if I told you there's a way to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face, recording a single video, or spending a dime up front? Sounds too good to be true, right? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use YouTube automation and free tools to create a profitable channel and even build a website, all without breaking the bank. Let's dive into the secrets behind YouTube automation, a strategy that has allowed countless creators to earn thousands of dollars monthly while working smarter, not harder. Step number 1, understanding YouTube automation. First things first, what is YouTube automation? It's the process of running a YouTube channel where most tasks are outsourced or automated. From content creation to editing and uploading, you can streamline everything using tools and strategies that minimize effort while maximizing output. The beauty of this approach is that you don't need to appear on camera or even record videos yourself. Imagine channels like Facts Verse or Voyager, which generate massive revenue without showing their creators' faces. They focus on faceless content like storytelling, tutorials, or niche topics. These channels leverage automation tools and outsourcing to scale their operations quickly. Step number 2, choosing your niche. Before jumping into automation, you need to pick the right niche. This is crucial because your niche determines your audience and potential earnings. Here are some ideas. Tech reviews, cover gadgets and software. Top 10 lists, create engaging countdowns in various categories. Educational content, simplify complex topics like history or science. Health and fitness tips, share advice without needing personal footage. Choose something you're interested in or that has proven demand. Use free tools like Google Trends or vidIQ to analyze search volume and competition for your chosen niche. Step number 3, creating content without filming. Now comes the exciting part, creating videos without filming anything yourself. Here's how. Script writing. Start with a compelling script. You can write it yourself or use AI tools like ChatGPT for assistance. Focus on engaging storytelling or delivering useful information. Voiceover. Don't worry if you're not comfortable recording audio. Platforms like Speechify or MuffAI can generate realistic voiceovers for your scripts. Video creation. Use free tools like Pictory.ai or Canva to create videos from stock footage, animations, or slideshows. Pictory can even match your script with relevant visuals automatically. Thumbnails. Eye-catching thumbnails are essential for clicks. Canva offers free templates designed specifically for YouTube thumbnails. No graphic design skills required. Step number 4, automating your workflow. Automation tools are the backbone of this strategy. Here are some must-haves. TubeBuddy and vidIQ. These tools help with keyword research, SEO optimization, and analytics. Zapier. Connect apps like Google Drive and YouTube to automate uploads and notifications. Aweber. Automate email campaigns to notify subscribers about new videos. These tools save time while ensuring your content reaches the right audience efficiently. Step number 5, monetizing your channel. Once your channel starts gaining traction, it's time to monetize. Here are some ways to make money. Ad revenue. Join the YouTube Partner Program once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Ads will play on your videos, generating income based on views. Affiliate marketing. Promote products in your videos using affiliate links from platforms like Amazon Associates. Earn commissions for every sale made through your links. Sponsorships. As your channel grows, brands may pay you to feature their products or services. Merchandise. Sell branded items directly through YouTube's merchandise shelf. Memberships. Offer exclusive content through paid subscriptions for loyal fans. Step number 6, building a website for free. A website complements your YouTube channel by offering another platform for engagement and monetization. Here's how to build one without spending money. Choose a free website builder. Platforms like Wix or WordPress.com allow you to create websites at no cost. Content integration. Embed your YouTube videos directly onto the site to drive traffic between platforms. Affiliate links and ads. Use your website as an additional space for affiliate marketing and ad placements. Email list building. Ad forms to collect subscribers' emails for newsletters or promotions. With a website, you diversify your income streams while creating more opportunities for audience interaction. Step number 7. Scaling your operations. Once you've mastered the basics, it's time to scale up. Outsource repetitive tasks like video editing or thumbnail creation using platforms like Fiverr. Expand into multiple niches by launching additional channels. Invest in premium automation tools as revenue grows. Tools like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro can enhance production quality while saving time. Scaling doesn't just mean doing more, it means doing better while optimizing efficiency. Step number 8. Avoiding common pitfalls. While automation is powerful, it's not foolproof. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. Low-quality content. Automation doesn't mean cutting corners. Ensure every video adds value to viewers. Ignoring policies. Stay compliant with YouTube's guidelines to avoid demonetization. Over-automation. Balance automated processes with personal touches like responding to comments or engaging with followers directly. Remember, authenticity matters, even in faceless channels. You don't need expensive equipment, hours of filming, or even upfront capital to start making money on YouTube through automation and free resources. With the right niche, tools, and strategies, anyone can turn their channel into a passive income machine and even complement it with a free website for added impact. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.